live. Let's see. Yes, we are live. We're live from home again, and chat isn't working. It's totally fine. But okay, this is the middle way. We have to operate on the extremes. On one end, we have these 500,000-year-old books, and on the other hand, we have these one-line bangers on Twitter. This is it. We need to operate on the spectrum, on the extremes, and then yeah, the answer is obviously the middle way. But you gotta consume. You gotta operate at these extremes. That's how you truly differentiate, right? Because if you just go deeper into the 1,000-year-old books, you have no idea what is happening today in the culture. So you cannot be relevant. And if you only operate in one line bangers, you never build the depth to go beyond the one line bangers, because you want to be able to talk about things that are beyond just these one lines. These one lines are just the attention hooks. And after that, it's all about, okay, what's next? What's next? So let's see, we're always playing with our interface, and today I'm also experimenting a lot with daily briefs in every tool. I got daily briefs running in Grok now, in poke.com, poke or poke. We got Claude, we got Grok. I think I've set up on ChatGPT, I've set up on Codex specifically, but I don't look at it because it's an automation that runs within the application. It's not being fed. What all these guys have to do is like somehow make it really simple to integrate with Telegram, because once you make it, actually I should just run that right now. But let's see, actually, let's run this. Good idea. So I have a daily zeitgeist scan. So let's see, I will pause my screen for a bit and I will see. Can you send me my Grok task in Telegram? Let's see what it says. AI scaling walls, hormones, tensions, X-feed analysis, iceberg analysis, AI news roundup today, top stories. Okay, interesting. Search chat. This is the current one. New tab, resume, and AI news roundup. How do you check your tasks? There's no way to check your tasks. How do you check? History is here. Okay, so task ID. Seems like people are not really using. It seems like people are not really using the task tool over here. Otherwise, they would have made it really easy to access it. OpenAI wins big against Elon. Major hurdle for OpenAI's potential IPO. I don't know. It seems like it seems like it might be a good handshake deal. It seems like a good handshake deal between OpenAI and Elon Musk, because by saying whatever the term is, by saying that okay, the only reason we lost is because of the timing issue, that you didn't file the lawsuit in the window that you are supposed to file, both can leave this place peacefully. So that is good. Google as a trial highlighted tensions in the industry, but is seen as a major win for the sector overall. Yes, it's a major win for the sector overall. Good one. Gemini 3.5 Flash, personalized AI agent, Gemini Spark, new smart glasses. New Google smart glasses. Let's see. What do we get? What if we see the images first? Definitely not this one. Chat. Lightweight everyday glasses, always on, Gemini Assistant, microphone, speakers, cameras, voice first, interaction, optional display versions later. Audio first glasses without full AR displays, real-time translation, navigation. It's basically meta glasses, everyday AI glasses, display glasses, tiny in-lens display for directions. Okay, gotta take a quick break. Details, and hopefully ChatGPT can figure out that we are looking for this. Is this the right project, or we don't know? We don't know. Arguably has lead in consumer smart glasses adoption with the Ray-Ban smart glasses, but Google's advantage may become Android ecosystem integration, Gemini Maps integration. Really cool, really cool. Meta is laying off 8,000. Google is the Blackstone partnering on a new $5 billion AI cloud company. Very interesting, very interesting. AI overviews now reach over 2.5 billion monthly users. New tools for workspace search, agentic features. Laying off 8,000 employees as part of AI transformation. Many workers are being reassigned to AI roles beforehand. Guaranteed capacity offering for customers to secure compute. Amazon evolving Alexa, Rufus for shopping, Deloitte pushing autonomous intelligence. Growing backlash, AI industry facing public resistance. board speakers, block data centers, consumer preference against Gen AI branch, and accelerating domestic AI chips, Alibaba new chip amid US tensions, agentic era shift toward proactive AI agents that act autonomously, infrastructure and cost, massive capex continues, but pushback on AI slop and real world adoption. Interesting, interesting. And we also have, okay, let's look at this. Give me some quotes from Paramhans Yogananda. Let's see. I feel like on this internet, I am really pushing the internet. I'm really pushing everything. It looks very fun. It seems very fun. Verifying code accuracy and sourcing reliability. Create spiritual aphorisms while navigating copyright. Change yourself when you have done your part in changing the world. Change yourself when you have done your part in changing the world. The season of failure is the best time for sowing the seeds of success. The season of failure is the best time for sowing the seeds of success. Stillness is the altar of spirit. Calmness. The best thing to do is always to ask Grok, because Grok is just gonna give you stuff. It's not gonna worry about all the weird stuff that, hey, copyright and all that stuff. Live quietly in the moment and see the beauty of all before you. Live quietly in the moment and see the beauty of all before you. It is better to die struggling than to abandon your efforts. Reading books cannot give you realization. The power of unfulfilled desires is the root of all of man's slavery. Forget the past, for it is gone from your domain. Loyalty is the first law of good. I think unfulfilled desires are so important. It's very important. It's very important. It's essential that you. It's essential that your desires are fulfilled. Because once your desires are fulfilled, once your basic desires are fulfilled, then you can start thinking bigger. You can only think bigger once your basic desires are fulfilled. Each moment completely, the future will take care of itself. Fully enjoy the wonder and beauty of each moment. Wonder, beauty. Live quietly in the moment and see the beauty of all before you. The future will take care of itself. Be as simple as you can be. You will be astonished to see how uncomplicated and happy your life can become. Be as simple as you can be. You'll be astonished to see how uncomplicated and happy your life can become. Be as simple as you can be. Live quietly in the moment and see the beauty of all before you. The future will take care of itself. Be as simple as you can be, and you will be astonished to see how uncomplicated and happy your life can become. Let my soul smile through my heart, and my heart smile through my eyes, that I may scatter rich smiles and sad hearts. Let my soul smile through my heart and my... Actually, I'm curious. I want a good working